Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Photos and signing into the exact Google account that held the deleted items. Tap the menu or the three-line icon, then go to Trash or Bin. This is where Google keeps deleted photos for 60 days. Once done, make sure device backup was enabled before deletion, because only synced images appear here. If you're on mobile, enable mobile data or Wi-Fi so latest deletions sync. On desktop, confirm you're in the right account to avoid missing files. Now navigate inside Trash or Bin and scan for the deleted photos. Google labels items with deletion dates, which helps when you have many files. Select one or multiple images by long pressing on mobile or using the checkboxes on desktop, then choose Restore. This moves them back to your library and original albums. Make sure to check archived items and albums because restored images reappear there. If a photo isn't in trash, it may be older than 60 days or removed permanently. If trash is empty, broaden the search. Look in Google Drive, any device backups, or another synced account. Sometimes images were backed up elsewhere. You can also run a recovery app on the device storage or SD card. Stop using the device first to avoid overwriting data and use reputable recovery software. If those fail and the photos are critical, contact Google support. Explain account details and time frame because they can sometimes help for paid customers. Troubleshooting tip: if recovered files are corrupted, try alternate recovery tools or open copies in a different viewer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.